On this day in history, May 16, 1984, something truly spectacular happened. The world was introduced to the one and only Tetris. Yes, you read that right. Today marks the anniversary of the beloved video game's release. With its unmistakable soundtrack and simple yet addicting gameplay, Tetris has become a classic among gamers and non-gamers alike. For those who may not be familiar with the game, let me give you a quick rundown. Tetris is a puzzle game in which players must fit falling blocks together to create solid lines. As the game progresses, the blocks fall faster and faster, making it increasingly difficult to keep up. Now, you may be wondering what makes Tetris so special. After all, there are plenty of other puzzle games out there. Well, for one thing, Tetris has been played by millions of people around the world since its release nearly 40 years ago. But more than that, Tetris has had a significant impact on popular culture. For example, did you know that the game has been used as a tool to study the effects of trauma on the brain? In a 2009 study, researchers found that playing Tetris after a traumatic event helped reduce the incidence of flashbacks and other symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. But it's not just scientists who have taken an interest in Tetris. The game has also been referenced in movies, TV shows, and even music videos. In fact, the iconic Tetris theme has been remixed and covered countless times over the years. Perhaps the most memorable example of Tetris' influence on popular culture came in 1989, when a giant game of Tetris was played on the side of a skyscraper in Philadelphia. Using colored lights, a group of hackers known as the Franklin Institute's Computer Museum Tetris team turned the city's Cira Center into a giant version of the game. The event drew crowds of onlookers and even garnered coverage on national news networks. It was a testament to the enduring popularity of Tetris and the creativity of its fans. Of course, we can't forget about the countless hours of fun that people have had playing the game over the years. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual player, there's something undeniably satisfying about fitting those blocks together just right. So, as we celebrate the anniversary of Tetris' release today, let's take a moment to appreciate all the joy and entertainment that this simple yet brilliant game has brought into our lives. And who knows? Maybe a new generation of gamers will fall in love with Tetris, just like so many of us did all those years ago.